Hi everybody, Blake at Earl May. It's time to start selecting a tomato for your garden or your patio pot, and one of the great options we have for you this season is the Heartland Natural exclusive at Earl May tomato products. So we have a nice wide selection, and what we really love about these plants, they're grown from the very beginning in plantable pots, no plastic to throw away or recycle. The tag is recyclable, and the way it's grown is natural. Nothing synthetic has been introduced to it. And as that grows, those white, healthy roots are going to grow right through this all-natural core fiber pot and provide the support that it needs. So to plant it, we're going to take out the recyclable plant tag, and I already have this pot mostly filled full of soil, and we're just going to make a hole and we're going to sink this pot, and the pot is going to be down below the surface of the soil, so it's completely submerged. Okay, so it's going to be about like that. We'll show that here in a minute. So I get it nice and deep. Oh, and before that I plant it, I want to take off these bottom sets of leaves. Now, tomatoes are unique because I can plant it deeper than how it's grown, and new roots will form all along this stem. So I'm potting it down in my also organic potting soil. I've made my divot, I planted my plant. The pot is underneath the surface of the soil. I can't even see the pot anymore. And I firm it up, and now it's underneath. Healthy, dark green, roots will grow along those stems nicely. We're going to water it in with a mixture of water and plant start. Plant start will help it get off to a really great, healthy new start. We're going to place this plant in full sun. Now, full sun means 6 or more hours of direct sunlight. And we want to acclimate this plant, and we want to introduce it gradually to the wind and the outdoor conditions. So that's our Heartland Natural product. We have a full line of tomatoes. So take a look at your local Earl May.